Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ with a hybrid or hybrid energy engine. Stay with us, we will explain where your NOx sensor is located in case you have problems with it. Now, what's common between these three vehicles? They actually use the same drivetrain, engine, transmission in all these three vehicles. The only difference is the C-Max is a little bit more compact, so you have a little bit less room. So if you got Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ, you're probably a little bit luckier because you have more room to work with. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's explain what we need to do. We need to open the hood here on that Ford now, support it, and now lately guys, you've been asking us about cheap OBD scanner connector. This is by Foxwell. This is one of the best ones that I use for the money. It's so cheap that I put one of those in every vehicle that I have in the glove box, just in case guys, if I get an engine light, I know what to expect, okay, and actually see if it's safe to drive or not. But if you remove your upper engine cover, and if you want to see the video on our channel guys, step by step how to do that, if you do it, okay, let's go ahead and remove that one, and we're going to actually remove the iron that supports the hood. Okay, let's go ahead and pull that thing, and we'll just hold the hood because I want to show you where it's located in case you need to replace it. So if you come right here in an angle guys, okay, I'm doing my best here, give me a second now, okay, perfect, 1 second now, right there guys, that thing is your NOx sensor. Okay, I'm going to get more light so I can show you a little bit about it. So let me show you now. We got the light so you can see better, and in the corner of the engine under the intake manifold, that thing right there guys, okay, let me focus, that right there is your NOx sensor. Okay, I'm touching it right here. You can practically guys, okay, now remove that NOx sensor. If you pay attention, you can get here with a tool, remove it and replace it without removing the intake manifold, which is a great advantage because most cars nowadays you have to remove the intake manifold. The connector is down there. All we have to do, disconnect it, you can see, and install the new one. If you want to know guys, okay, the symptoms of bad NOx sensor, we'll have the video on the channel as well, so please check it out. But yeah, that's where it's located for any of you that need to replace it. Pretty simple, 10mm socket, remove the bolt, make sure the block is completely clean when you install the new one, because if you have dust or sand underneath, what will happen, you will not contact correctly, and that can actually get a code for NOx and the engine not performing correctly. So hopefully the video will be helpful. If you need to buy a new sensor for a good price, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.